What's up, guys? How do you do dark mode or change the theme settings in Audacity? Let's look into that right now. How do you change themes in Audacity? First, go up to Edit, Preferences, wait till it loads. Scroll way down to Interface. Go to Theme right there. Then go to Light Theme, Classic Theme. Classic Theme, let's look at that. Now, Classic Theme looks like this. Edit, Preferences. Let's see the other themes. Dark Mode, which looks pretty nice. That's like gold and stuff. Looks pretty nice. So, let's go to Preferences again, and let's go to Themes. High Contrast, which I think is another dark theme. Yes, it is. That looks a bit weird and a bit off, so you can have that as you want. Preferences. There's a last theme I'm going to go over right now. Custom Theme, which this does this, but custom theme. Custom theme is kind of like the classic theme. It doesn't really do anything from what I see, just the classic theme. So, the custom is just the classic theme from what it looks like. I might be wrong on that, but that's what it looks like. So, let's see. Enable effects, VSTs. So, that's what it is. I'm gonna go back to dark. I can go to dark theme because I like that one the best. So, thank you for watching.